Deacons belonging to the Catholic Archdiocese of Shillong and other religious congregations were ordained priests by Archbishop Most Reverend Victor Lyngdoh at the Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians at Lyngdoh in Shillong. Unlike the previous glittering priestly ordinations, where deacons were ordained in open space amidst a huge gathering of clergy, faithful, relatives, friends, and well-wishers, today's priestly ordination was done in a sober way with limited invitees due to COVID-19 protocol. The rites and rituals ordination ceremony of Deacons Andreas Sinkley of MSFS Congregation, Deacon Elvis Karkungor of MSFS Congregation, Deacon Basil Walang of Archdiocese of Shillong, Deacon Stybok Warjri of Archdiocese of Shillong, Deacon Naveen Bunga of CMS Congregation, Deacon Maria Shibu of CMS Congregation, Deacon Sylvanus Lyngdoh of Salesians of Don Bosco, and Deacon Philman Indwar of MC were performed in solemnity at a concelebrated Holy Mass invoking God the Almighty to shower His blessings on the newly ordained priest and the Holy Spirit to grant them wisdom to guide the faithful. After the reading of the Gospel, Archbishop Victor Lyngdoh gave the homily. During the homily, Archbishop exhorted the deacons to look after the faithful and spread the Gospel to everyone. The Archbishop said the priests should always read the Bible to gain spiritual wisdom, to pray without ceasing, and to administer the sacraments to the faithful. He said, priesthood is not an individual task. It should be performed in a community spirit. Before the ordination, the 8 deacons were individually inquired by the main celebrant whether they themselves were willing to be ordained priests or forced by others. When the deacons gave the consent, the Archbishop would anoint on hands of each of the deacons with holy chrism oil, invoking the benedictions of the Holy Spirit to shower on each of them. After the deacons were ordained, they too joined along with other priests in the concelebrated Holy Mass with Archbishop Most Reverend Victor Lyngdoh as the main celebrant. When the Holy Mass was over, there was a huge rejoicing among the clergy, relatives, faithful, and friends of the newly ordained priest.
To you all things are made to stand firm, to form a priestly people. You appoint ministers of Christ to stand, by the power of the Holy Spirit, arranging them in different orders. Already in the earlier covenant, offices arose established through mystical rites, when you set Moses and Aaron over your people to govern and sanctify them. You chose men next to your Bible stand, a pinagdagawa niya kaunay. Yang pinagdagawa ay bakapon, ikabang pinagdagawa kaunay kainran, na perharap bersentuha, ikabang ini, penyeday gawa ini, berkanyang berpampak dipendek, penyeday gawa lagi jenim, ketumaya, ketumina, try. Unri yang berpor kejaya jemu, kenapa penurna pendap yang deti itu, hak hak pun kaho. Jom leng penolong yang tiada bersagi jaga jeniye, jaga jinsisya jemple jemu, hangis rapatai, debil lalu disakri bayarine, jaga jimpenyaso.
Yang yang play hari kenop harsi play melalui bersama yang ibarat hari keliman terpan yang ibrahim di bawah boy adu kane keliman.
In charge of sound system. Thank you, sir.
Ia play terpan yang Indonesia warsham yang jingwai bersentuhan bersama play siapa yang jingwai tu.
We thank all the people who have helped us to reach the altar of the Lord